What's going on, everybody? My name is Jeff and you are watching Ride, and we're living in some extraordinary times at the moment. I'm recording this from my house. I don't have my normal setup. My beautiful teleprompter is not in front of me. My words are right there, so bear with me. But that said, let's dive right on in. COVID-19 has everyone freaked out, and until recently, everyone except for Elon Musk, who discounted the pandemic panic as dumb while keeping his Fremont, California factory running despite government orders to shut down. Wow. Okay, maybe Musk knows something we don't. Maybe not. Now that the state of California has escalated into full crisis, freak out, lockdown mode, Mr. Musk is looking like he might be able to switch into hero mode. If the stars align, that is. Okay. Nah, that'd be for Mr. Musk. Here's how it went down. New York Mayor Bill de Blasio tweeted at Musk saying ventilators were needed urgently in anticipation of hospitals getting flooded with coronavirus patients having respiratory distress. This is serious stuff. And this is where Elon effectively jumped into a phone booth, ripped off his clothes, and stepped out like a kind of reluctant Superman. Tesla makes cars with sophisticated HVAC systems. SpaceX makes spacecraft with life support systems. Ventilators are not difficult. That's easy for you to say, Mr. Eccentric Mad Scientist Billionaire, but they cannot be produced instantly. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. See, US hospitals have enough ventilators now, but they might be seriously shorthanded if COVID-19 reaches the level some experts are anticipating. The White House is also working with General Motors, Volkswagen, and Ford in hopes that they figure out how to build respirators or even 3D print new machines from scratch. This won't be the first time Super Musk has been called into action. Remember his efforts to produce clean water in Flint, Michigan, and to cave rescue those kids in Thailand? Sort of cave rescue them. You know, there's a court, whatever. We're not going to dive into the meat of it at the moment. Let's hope that the Tesla maven and kind of weird but all around very smart guy can step up and save the day. Though we do have to shout out the real true heroes right now, which are all of the hospital workers around the country, around the world, putting in insanely long hours, putting themselves at risk to try to keep the rest of us alive and healthy. If we do need those other respirators though, and it sounds like we might down the road, hopefully Elon and Tesla and the rest of the automakers who are interested in doing so can find a way to build them and get them out there quickly and effectively to the places that are hardest hit. For now, stay safe, stay clean, keep washing your hands, and stick around for more from Ride.Tech. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and if you don't, I don't know what to tell you. I want you to stay safe and clean too. So, most of you. A large percentage of you. All right. And this is where Musk effectively jumped into a phone booth. And this is where Musk effectively jumped in. And this is where Elon effectively jumped into a phone booth